Now we have to find the shortest distance between two vector equations. Now let vector r is equal to 2 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 3 k cap plus lambda 3 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Let's represent this by vector r is equal to a1 vector a1 plus lambda vector b1. Okay. Now and vector r is equal to negative of 3 I cap minus negative of 7 j cap plus 6 k cap plus mu plus 4 k cap, and let this is represented by a vector a2 plus mu vector b2. Mu vector b2. Now we are having a1. Now, vector a1 is equal to 3 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 3 k cap. Vector a2 is vector a2 is equal to, now a1 a2 minus 3 I cap minus 7 j cap plus 6 k cap. a1 a2, then b1 b2. Now vector b1 3 I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and vector b2 negative of 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. So we are having a1 a2 b1 and b2. Now first of all, you can just write down the formula for the shortest distance in the rough. Okay, so let me do like that only. In rough, SD is equal to a2 minus a1 dot cross product of b1 b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Now why I have written this? So you can easily find whatever we have to do for the formulas. Now first thing is a2 minus a1. Now vector a2 minus vector a1 is equal to, now a2 minus 3 I cap plus minus 7 minus 8 with j cap plus 6 minus 3 with k cap. So this is equal to negative of 6 I cap, negative of 15 j cap plus 3 k cap. So one thing we got it now, vector a2 minus vector a1. One thing, okay. Now b1 cross b2, cross product for vector b1 and vector b2, this is equal to, by the determinants I cap, j cap, k cap, with now b1 3 minus 1 1 and b2 minus 3 2 and 4. Now vector b1 cross vector b2 is equal to, now evaluating, okay, we are having minus 4 minus 2 with I cap minus it is 3 b1 3 1 1 and b2 is minus 3 2 and 4. Okay, so this is now 12 plus 3 with j cap plus 6 minus 3 with k cap. So this is equal to negative of 6 I cap negative of 15 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, so we got it a2 minus a1, b got it cross product for b1 cross b2. Now magnitude for the cross product of b1 cross b2 is equal to square root of negative of 6 square plus negative of 15 square plus 3 square. This is equal to 36 plus 2 to 5 plus 9. So b1 cross b2, its magnitude is square root of 270. One thing, no. First of all, we got this thing. Okay. Now last thing what we have to find is, according to the formula, it was a2 minus a1 in the vector form, dot for cross product of b1 vector b1 and vector b2. Now a2 minus a1, that is minus 6 I cap minus 15 j cap plus 3 k cap. Dot product for minus 6 I cap minus 15 j cap plus 3 k cap, because we are having the results. Vector b1 cross vector b2. So this was the third part which we have to solve it. Okay, so this becomes, now using the dot product, it becomes 36 plus 2 to 5 plus 9, and this is equal to 27. Is it clear? So now shortest distance is equal to a2 minus a1 vector b1 cross vector b2 upon magnitude for vector b1 cross vector b2. Now this is equal to 270 upon square root of 270. This cancels square root of 270 and it is 3 root 30. Okay, now shortest distance between given two lines is 3 root 30 units. Answer.